Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friend, we are going to talk about guys how can we turn off mute mode in a Tecno phone. Means guys you want to unmute your phone, so then how can you unmute? Today I will show you in this video guys. So before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like my video guys. So then how to unmute phone? First of all guys open your phone setting to unmute phone, and guys how can we turn off mute mode? Guys scroll it friends, you can see this type of setting friends, click on guys sound and vibration setting your Tecno mobile, and guys scroll it friends, you can see this type of setting guys, you can see guys your shortcut, and guys you can see your on mute option means your mute setting guys. Tap here guys, you want to unmute guys, you want to enable your vibrate mode, you can enable, but guys we want to unmute, so guys tap here, then guys your phone will unmute, and guys you can see this. So the shortcut to prevent ringing is off, so guys you can off your like your mute mode also guys. So like that guys your phone will unmute in your Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video with new topic. Before going, please go and like the video, subscribe the channel. Bye bye guys.